Hey guys, how's it going? Today, today I'm going to be making a roasted red pepper hummus at the request of my friend Angie Jost Eastman. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Now again, I'm working with my 70s-ish food processor thing, so it might take me a little second or two to get this thing rolling. Oh yeah. Really need to get that going down. Alright. Now I'm gonna add about a quarter cup of lemon juice. Crap, I'm gonna have to take this off. Alright, come on, you piece of crap. There we go. So I'm gonna do a quarter cup of lemon juice. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. And do about half a teaspoon of cumin. Do some pepper. I'm gonna add in our tahini sauce. About quarter to a half a cup. Now I'm gonna get rid of this because this has just been a pain in my ass. Alright. Let's get some roasted red peppers up in this bitch. That should probably be adequate. And now oh. Alright. I have a feeling this is going to go on for a while. It's actually looking pretty good. You know what? I'm gonna let this keep going, and going to start my pita bread. Of course I have pita bread. You can't have hummus without pita bread. Seriously, that is way too loud. Alright, so I'm gonna fire up my stove top. I'm gonna fire up my stove top. Let's score off some pitas, shall we? Okay, that might be a little too much heat. Alright. I only need a couple because this is really more for intents and purposes than actual feeding people.
You say you love me, but I don't think that
Oh
is
no.
true. It's all for you. All that I do.
I don't know. I've never made hummus before.
It's hard to escape all the problems in your brain, but it's okay
It's looking pretty good.
when things don't go your way. I say, girl, don't lose your faith, 'cause you won't always be alone.
Oh yeah.
Your mistakes, you'll always have a home in your heart.
And we're good.
Your eyes that I need to let go. I said, girl, don't lose your faith. Don't lose your faith. It's hard to love you, darling, when you're far away. 'Cause every day, I miss your face. I'm trying to deal with all the money and the fame, but it's okay when things don't go
All right.
I say, girl, don't
Some of this crap put away.
'cause you won't always be alone.
You, my friend, you're going up here to all the other undesirables. You too. You're going back in the closet. And you, my friend, will go in with the butter. So maybe I can have lemon butter. Crap, you know what? I forgot this. 1 garlic clove. You know, for this thing being from the 70s, it's pretty damn impressive, I gotta say. Look at this. Wait. I feel like something is gonna explode. Alright, anyway. Let me grab a bowl. Okay. Let me grab a bowl. No. Where the are my bowls? Alright, I guess this is gonna have to do. Alright. And get this thing off of here. Come on. Ugh. There we go. Straight to the bus stop. Because I am not dealing with this shit anymore. Smells really good. It's got a really good consistency. And I think I have that around here somewhere. Yeah, here we go. I'm always scared of this blade falling off. You know, I think that's adequate for us. Alright. Looks like hummus. Smells like hummus. And now I'm just gonna plate this to make it look pretty for you, the people, so you don't have to. Alright, I love pita bread. And now I need a little serving dish. This will do nicely. That's looking pretty good, I think. And one last thing. Taste test. That is, wow. Who knew I could make hummus? Wow. Damn. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please hit a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Other than that, I will see you in the next one. Wow.